Get excited about the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including a blind spot monitoring system, power front seats, a power rear cargo door, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.